Hey guys, we finally got a generator. We decided to go with the Champion 2000 watt. You can hook two of them together, parallel them, and run both air conditioners, but for right now we have one and we're going to unbox it and test to see how it goes. This is the Champion inverter generator, starting watts of 2000, running watts 1700. We snagged it from Amazon for about $4.99, and you're welcome to click on the link in the description. That'll take you to our Amazon affiliate. So there's the oil, funnel, electrical cords, socket. Instructions. Alright, so there it is. So I'm gonna go through the instructions and see how to fire this thing up. It says it'll run at 53 decibels, and we'll test that as soon as we get it going. It has a running time of 9.5 hours under 25% low, and it weighs 48.5 pounds. So it should be pretty easy to maneuver around. Hopefully the setting it up isn't too difficult. One of the reasons that we decided to go with this was the price. We really liked the Hondas that are the same size, but they were about $1,000, and with this one being less than half of that, we figured we could probably get two for the price of one little Honda. So for right now we have one, and then we'll snag another one if we like this one to run them in parallel with each other. Okay, now got the back panel off, just removing the oil dipstick. Now I need to add 0.4 quarts of the oil that came with it. So the bottle that's sent comes with 4 quarts, which will make it handy. So now I just need to put that in there. Up a little bit of that excess from the funnel. Filling it up with ethanol-free fuel because I find it works better on small engines than the new ethanol mixed fuel. Good. Has this nice little enclosure around the, I guess the gas tank or the fill cap to help in case you spill a little, which you're bound to as you pour in the 5 gallons of gas. Well, not 5 gallons, but from your 5-gallon can. Then right on the top here is where you have your fuel on and off. So here's in the off position. If you can see that. There's the off position. There's the on position. Alright, now let's see what the next step is to start this thing up. Okay, so it says it's good to start up. I'm going to take and pull the choke out. On position there, and this thing should be good to start, so let's see. Last night we ran out of light while we were setting this up, so this morning we're going to go ahead and test this out and see what the decibel level is. I ran it for a few hours just to get it nice and broken. This first test is set on economy. Standing right here 3 feet away, doesn't sound too loud. Check the decibels. So standing right here next to it, we're at about 92 decibels on economy. Current value is 86-ish. If I turn it off of economy, bumps up a little bit. But that's standing really close to it. So now let's walk 50 feet away, like it says, and see what it has. We're probably 35-ish feet away, if you can see the generator down there. And it's not on economy right now. And this is what we're pulling. As you can hear, it's not very loud from this far away. Now I'm going to go turn on economy and come back here and see what it does. I turned it on economy. Now looking at our decibel meter, me just talking is like 84. As you can see, pretty quiet, and we aren't even the 50 feet away that it recommends to get down below 50 decibels. So far, so good. Now we need to go camping and try it out. We'll give you a full review once we take it camping and run it for a weekend. Thanks for watching, and if you like the unboxing, go ahead and subscribe, give the thumbs up on the page, and enjoy your weekend.